GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 37. Vehicular arrival at an isolated intersection follows the Poisson distribution. The mean vehicular arrival rate is given as 2 vehicles per minute. The probability, rounded off to 2 decimal places, that at least 2 vehicles will arrive in any given 1 minute interval should be found. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data for this problem, one needs to know about the Poisson distribution and its probability mass function that is given by this equation. Here lambda is the average arrival rate in t duration, x is the number of vehicles that would arrive in the time interval t, e is nothing but exponential that is given as 2.71, and t is the time interval that has been specified. For this question it is 1 minute. So the mean arrival rate has been specified as 2 vehicles per minute. The distribution is given as Poisson since it is a vehicular arrival distribution, and the probability that at least 2 vehicles will arrive in a minute needs to be found. So the probability of at least 2 vehicles will be the sum of arrival of 2 vehicles, sum of arrival of 3 vehicles, sum of arrival of 4 vehicles, and so on and so forth, which would be a cumbersome computation because there can be n number of arrivals in a minute. Instead of finding this, what we can do is we can find the complement of this event. That would be 1 minus the other 2 numbers before it, that are probability of x equals 0 and probability of arrival of x equals 1. This would be 1 minus, as we remember the equation was e power minus lambda t power x divided by x factorial of p x equals x. So for x equals 0 it would be e power minus lambda is 2 and time interval is 1, 2 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2 times of 1, 2 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. This would be 1 minus e power minus 2 into 1 plus 2, which would be 1 minus 3 over e square, which is 1 minus 0.4059, which would be 0.5941. This can be approximated to 0.59 since the question asks us to approximate it to 2 decimal places. So the vehicular arrival at an isolated intersection was given to follow the Poisson distribution, the mean arrival rate was given, and the probability that at least 2 vehicles will arrive in any 1 minute interval was found out to be 0.59. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.